Hello.
Hello.
Raj, now we have been associated with each other since 2008.
Right.
Raj, what is the best thing you've liked about us in the last, 5, 6 years we have been together?
Okay. The first thing I would like to tell about is the kind of policy. The policy you suggested me with all the appropriate examples on the first day when we met. I'm very
Okay.
happy because recently when one more insurance agent visited my house and when he was asking me what kind of policies I hold, when I suggested him, when I explained him the kind of policies I have, since now whatever I have procured, so he told the one you have suggested is the best among the policies what I have currently. So I'm very happy for about that. And
Excellent.
the second thing is the kind of feedback. Kind of what you say. Uh, Time you are spending to be in touch with your customers, because I used to see lot of your calls when I was in Hyderabad. In fact, we lost contact on phone because you did not have my latest contact number. But I always used to see your emails about your clients, how you are trying to approach some of the cases for I think one or two examples you shared how you are assisting your customer in case of in one of the cases
Claims.
where it was a death, I guess.
Right.
So you were personally not were in touch with that customer, and you were actually giving us inputs on that, how you are actually tracking that, trying to resolve that particular problem. So that's the kind of what I can say is I'm very much happy about the kind of information you have, the kind of knowledge, skill set you have, and the kind of enthusiasm you have in to have contact with your customers. I'm very happy for about that. Basically, you are making your customers feel happy. That's where your strength lies.
Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate your feedback. Sir, is there something which you've not been very happy about our association?
I at this point of time, I don't think anything about that. But whatever I have felt was always on the positive side. Okay? If there is anything, definitely I would let you know in the future. If
Sure,
there is
sir.
anything on negative side.
Sure, sir. Sir, what was the best thing you liked about our association? I can't see your video, Raj, sir.
1 minute. How can I make it?
There is a small video logo. If you click that, your video will come.
Got it.
Okay. So, what is the best thing you've liked probably when we first met? What made you buy from us for the first time, sir, when we met?
I mean, the kind of inputs you gathered from me, about my about what I can say is assessing my portfolio and suggesting policies suitable to me, which is neither not below my requirement nor what I can say is which will not be a burden for me. You suggested a very relevant policy for me suitable to my requirement.
Excellent. So, it's a customized solution.
Yeah, exactly.
Excellent. Sir, what changes do you advise our team to become better, sir?
Uh, I don't know. Okay, so you are currently handling only Max India.
No, sir. We work with all the companies across the board.
Okay, so I did not know if in that case I would actually suggest you to work for all the insurance companies so that many people will get benefit from your.
Sure, sir. Sure. We will do that. We'll definitely do that with you also, sir. Sir, how can we make our relationship stronger?
already stronger in my opinion, because you are always in touch with customers, which I know from my experience.
Okay. Sir, where would you like to see our association 10 years from now?
Can you just repeat, please?
Sir, where would you like to see our association 10 years from now?
Yeah. So what I suggest is maybe keep this enthusiasm, what you have currently, so that even our next generation can get benefit.
Excellent. Thank you so much, sir. I'll be looking forward to see a part of, Neeraj as a part of my family
Exactly.
again.
Yeah, that's what even what my that's what I would like him to get benefit from your services.
Sure, sir. Sir, how do you want us to improve our service, sir?
Uh, Again, no thoughts on that, Niyesh.
Okay. Sir, any other feedback you'd like to share with us?
Okay, so only suggestion is recently I was studying. I was actually trying to buy a term insurance, and I was reading the success factors from different companies. Say LIC was topping, and so my only suggestion is people when they buy insurance should actually get benefit when they need it. So maybe if you are part of that every success, I'll be very happy.
Sure. I would also like to share few of the ideas on the term part, sir. Any other feedback?
That's it.
Okay, sir, if you had to rate us from 1 to 5, 1 being excellent, 5 being poor,
Okay.
where would you like to rate us, sir?
So I'll keep you on somewhere around 1.5.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, is there any unique feature you have seen with the team Sanghi vis-a-vis the other companies? If yes, what is that unique feature, sir?
Okay. What the main thing is, the way we connected today, right? Even after so many years, after a gap of so many years, when you came to know my number, your enthusiasm and your follow-up approach, which you started from yesterday, that's what I like actually, because no other agents. I have multiple policies and multiple agents. I worked in the past, but you are the only one who keeps me calling regularly, and maybe on phone or maybe from your email service. You are the only one who is in touch with me.
Thank you so much,
So
sir.
that's where you are unique compared to other agents. Other agents have completely disappeared.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Sir, I'm just sending you an important mail, sir, which I
Okay.
would want you to share with you and ma'am. Kindly
Sure.
open that mail from your Yahoo ID. I'll give you a call in a minute.